Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. The square root of x we can change into x to the power of 1 over 2. This one we can change into x to the power of 1 over 3. So this one we multiply by this one and this one. So for this one we will have about 3 over 2. This one we have 4 over 3. Next we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx. We have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and we put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one and this one. And then we got the final answer. So this one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 5 over 2. This one we have 7 over 3. This one we have 7 over 3. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.